Welcome all of you. Myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moore Education Society, Moore Institute of Pharmacy, Sone. In this lecture, we discuss about the antihelmintic drugs. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, learner will able to understand what is the helminthiasis, definition, classification of antihelmintic drugs, drug profile of antihelmintic drugs, content of lecture, introduction of helminthiasis, definition, classification of antihelmintic drugs, drug profile of antihelmintic drugs. So what is a helminthiasis? Helminthiasis, also known as a worm infection. The helminthiasis is an microparasitic disease of human and other animal in which a part of body is infected with parasitic worms known as a helminthes. Helminthes are transmitted to the final host in several ways. The most common infection is through the injection of contaminated vegetable, drinking water, and raw or undercooked meat. Contaminated food may contain egg of nematoids. Helminthes types causing infection. The following helminthes are responsible for the causing the infection. Roundworm infection, that is also called as nematodiasis. Tapeworm infection, that also called as a cystidiasis. Trematode infection, that also called as a trematodiasis. Acanthosyphilia infection. So these types of helminthes or worm are responsible for causing an infection in the human or animal. Signs and symptom of helminthiasis. The sign and symptom of helminthiasis depend on number of factors including the site of infection within the body, the type of worm involved, the number of worm and their volume, the type of damage infesting worms causes, and the immunological responses of the body. Immunological responses. As a pathogenes in the body, helminthes induce an immunoresponse. The immunomediated inflammatory changes occur in the skin, lungs, liver, intestine, central nervous system, eyes. Sign of body immunoresponse may be include eosinophilia, edema, and arthritis. An example of immunoresponses is hypersensitive reaction that may be lead to the anaphylaxis. Another example is migration of Prokaryotes larvae through the bronchi of the lungs causing asthma. Diagnosis of helminthiasis. Helminths can be identified through the microscopic examination of their eggs found in fecal sample. The number of eggs is measured in unit of eggs per gram. However, it does not quantify mixed infection and in practice is inaccurate for quantifying the eggs of sachetosomes and soil transmitted helminths. Sophisticated tests such as a serological assay, antigen test, and molecular diagnosis are also available. However, they are time consuming, expensive, and not always reliable. Definition of antihelmintic drugs. A drug which are used in treatment of parasitic worm infection are called as antihelmintic drugs. Example, piperazine citrate, melbendazole. Classification of antihelmintic agent. First class is simple heterocyclic compound. Example, phenothiazine, piperazine citrate. Next class is benzoimidazole derivatives. Example, melbendazole, thioalbendazole, albendazole, phenbendazole. Next class is imidazole thiazole derivatives. Example, butamisol hydrochloride, leomisol. Next class is tetrahydropyrimidine derivative. Example, pyrental and morental. Then next class is organophosphorus compound. Example, chlorphomate, haloxone, trichlorophone. Last class is miscellaneous drug. Example, toluene, N-butyl chloride, tetrachloroethane. Then we discuss the drug profile of some antihelmintic drugs. So first one is piperazine. So first structure is piperazine hydrate. Second one is a piperazine citrate. Both structure containing 6-member heterocyclic ring, that is called as a piperazine ring. Physical properties, surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is saline in taste and odorless. Solubility, it is soluble in water and alcohol. Storage, it is a deliquescent and it's affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used in treatment of roundworm infection, pinworm infection, hookworm infection and threadworm infection. Official preparation, piperazine citrate syrup, piperazine citrate elixir, piperazine citrate tablet. Brand name, Vermicide, Helmicide, Antipur. Next antihelmintic drugs is melbendazole. So it is an example of benzimidazole derivatives. Is the structure of melbendazole. In this structure containing benzimidazole, it is a basic nucleus and 5 position having an attachment of benzoyl ring and 2 position having an attachment of methyl carbamate. So IPAC name is methyl in the bracket 5 benzoyl 1H benzimidazole 2YL bracket complete carbamate. Physical property, surface nature and color. It is a white or slightly yellow crystalline powder. Taste and odor, it is slightly bitter in taste and odorless. Solubility, it is a practically insoluble in water but soluble in formic acid. Storage, it is affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used in treatment of roundworm infection, pinworm infection, hookworm, tabworm, threadworm and guinea worm infection. Official preparation, melbendazole tablet, melbendazole suspension. Brand name, Mivex, Vermin, Nimesol. So next antihelmintic drugs is diethyl carbamazine. Short form is DSC. It is an example of piperazine derivative. The structure of DSC, in this structure containing 6-member heterocyclic ring, that is called as a piperazine ring. In this piperazine ring, first position having attachment of methyl group and 4th position having attachment of diethyl carbamyl. So IPAC name is 4-diethyl carbamyl 1-methyl piperazine. Physical properties, surface nature and color, it is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor, it is a bitter in taste and odorless. Solubility, it is soluble in water and practically insoluble in chloroform. Storage, it is darkened on exposure to air and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used in treatment of roundworm infection. Then it is used in treatment of infilariasis. It is used in treatment of topical eosinophilia. Official preparation, diethyl carbamazine tablet, diethyl carbamazine injection. Brand name, Filazine, Banoside 40, Heterozyne. In this lecture, we discuss about the what is meant by helminthiasis, definition, classification of antihelmintic agent or drugs, and drug profile of some important antihelmintic drugs. Thank you.